All right, welcome back, and this is a video update number 3. And today I want to talk to you about where I am in my Amazon FBA journey of launching my first ever product and what are the steps I'm taking and where I'm going. So first thing I want to start off is that the other day I got a message from the supplier saying that the product, so the manufacturing will be done on the 5th of June. So I'm looking forward to that. Not so many days left, and I have already sent money, $150 to this inspection company called Inspectaman on Facebook, and I'm talking to this guy Mike. So they will do an inspection of a random samples of the finished product. And I have also discussed with the same person about freight forwarding my product to the Amazon warehouse, and he gave me quite a competitive rate. So I will be working with him because initially I wanted to do a DDP with the supplier, but I compared the two prices of doing a DDP with the supplier, so delivery duty paid, or doing an FOB with the supplier, and then doing freight forward with another company, with a third company, and it's actually cheaper this way, the second way. So everything is ready, everything is prepared, the money is there. So now I just gotta wait for the product to be done. Then the inspection company has to inspect the product and send me a detailed review of whether it qualifies. But I think, because I'm working with one of the best suppliers in my product, so I don't have any doubts about that the products won't pass the quality check. And but anything can happen. And then also the inspection company told me that the shipping will take about 10 to 12 days. I'm doing Air Express. So I'm estimating that the product will be in the Amazon warehouse on about maybe the 17th to 20th of June, around that, and it will become active, from what I read, in about a week or so, maybe 5 days. So end of June, beginning of July, I'm estimating that my product will be live, and I'm excited about that. Now I want to talk to you about the launch strategy and what I'm thinking to do in terms of that. So there has been a lot of changes from what I follow on YouTube and everywhere about the giveaways, the services with page oneify and all of that. So initially I wanted to do a page oneify launch to rank on the first page and stuff, but now Amazon is removing that. So the only way right now is to use the in-house Amazon tools, such as early review program and obviously pay-per-click, so PPC. And in terms of PPC, there's a lot of debate. People say it's an art form and stuff, and I believe that. I mean, from my previous experience with Facebook ads and drop shipping and e-com, I can definitely say that it is quite an art form. You gotta have a feel to it, whether to keep a campaign running or to kill and Facebook ads is like kill the unprofitable ad sets, but here I guess the focus wouldn't be on keywords and whether to lower the bid, to have a lower ACoS, or just kill the keyword because it's not profitable at all. So from what I've been watching, I haven't been following too many gurus on YouTube about Amazon FBA, but the one person that I like and I can relate to is Yaniv. I like the guy. He's straightforward, gives valuable information and stuff. So, and he has like a special playlist. I think it was like 6 or 7 videos about PPC, and in one of the videos he talks about PPC launch only, and it's quite an interesting video where he talks where he gives like a PDF of the different campaigns and the different structures and the budget and everything. He just like outlines it one by one. I don't think he did it himself. I think he kind of got that from somewhere, but anywhere. Thank you, Yanni, for I hope I'm pronouncing that right. Thank you, Yanni, for sharing this information, this strategy, and I think I will try that strategy as my launch strategy. But once again, I want to just kind of emphasize the fact that I'm not necessarily planning on investing $1,000 and expecting $2,000 by the end of summer, or even the next day. I've kind of built patience for this whole game, and my real goal with Amazon FBA is to establish goodwill with Amazon, establish keyword history for my products, and kind of establish my brand in that certain niche that I'm working in, and slowly but surely build reviews, build customer satisfaction, and build, as I said, goodwill with Amazon. And so, because I truly believe that Amazon kind of selects of which supplier is trustworthy and which not, and the true predictor of the one that it is history and how long it's been selling, whether it had dips in inventory, whether customers are satisfied, and the percentage of negative reviews is small. So all those factors come in play, and I just want to emphasize that in particular with Amazon FBA, my focus is on the long term. So I'm not expecting to, because my product is somewhat seasonal, but not really, depending on the state you live in, whether you have crazy winters or not. But so since my product is somewhat seasonal, I'm not, and it's it's for the summer more towards, but these people still buy the winter. I'm not expecting to sell bunch this summer because I'm already quite late, and I'm just launching. I don't have keyword history and stuff like that. So my plan is to launch now, slowly but surely start to build keyword history, slowly start to build reviews, and turn over my inventory a couple of times, and grow step by step. And because at the end of the day, what really matters is the product, and the listing, yes, matters for search engine and stuff like that, but at the end of the day, if you have two sellers and one of them has a better product than the other one, Amazon will favor the seller that has a better product than that one. And then I wanna I wanna establish keyword history for the next season. So for the next summer, I wanna have my listing optimized, my keyword history in place. I wanna have my keywords which are profitable, and then really for the next season, I'm gonna start pushing hard with advertising budget and everything. So until then, it's kind of a test and trial, turning over inventory, seeing Amazon, learning from the inside and stuff like that. So yeah, that's kind of where I am in the Amazon FBA journey. I'm actually really glad I'm recording these videos because they although I have no views at this point on them, but it doesn't really matter because I'm kind of keeping track, and it also helps me keep track of where I am, where I'm going, and what are the steps I need to take. So if you enjoyed this video, make sure to press that like button. Also make sure to interact with me, leave me a comment of what you think, whether I'm moving in the right direction or not, and maybe let's just connect. And also if you like this concept, this whole idea of me kind of documenting of where I'm going and stuff, just just subscribe to the channel, and because I will be releasing these videos later on. So yeah, that's it for today. Thank you so much.